Hi, today's Tech Trick Tuesday is about data validation in Google Forms. This month we are dedicated to formative response tools. So this is a little trick that you can use in your Google Forms. Let's see this example. This is a Google form and it has some questions, so it's designed to be a quiz. But what I'm going to do with data validation is to make sure that the responses entered are correct or are in the form that I decided them to be. So for example, this question is what they are TechTricks published. If I start answering something, it will mark as incorrect until I enter exactly the correct response. Now this is helpful because you might have several questions that your students would need to respond before being able to move on or to submit. These 3 questions are required because I want to make sure that the 3 are answered, but this doesn't have to be this way. So this could help you maybe if you want your students to evaluate themselves, or you want them to verify their findings if they're doing a research of some kind. Or maybe you're collecting data and you want to make sure that the information is in the correct format. So let's see how this works. I'll go back to my editing in my Google form, and I'm going to add a question so we can see how to do this. Okay, so this is the question, and I will choose a short answer type of question. And here in the More Tools, you'll be able to choose data validation. Okay, and I have several things I can check for, if it's just a number or text or the length, how many characters, or the regular expression. So I'm going to do the text, and it contains or doesn't contain, or this is where I can verify that emails or URLs are written correctly. So in this case, it's going to contain the word blue. And here I can put a message in case there's a mistake. Okay, that's all. I can make it required or not. That's optional. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so here's my new question. So when I start answering this, if it's not correct, I will be asked to try again until I have the correct answer. This is not correct either because remember I typed the B in capital letters. So there, this is the correct answer. I have no mistake message, so that means it's correct, and I can move on to the next question. Once I have them all completed, I will be able to move on to the second page. This form, by the way, you can all go and answer it. There's a little surprise on the next page. So I encourage you to go to the bit.ly that's showing up on your screen, bit.ly/TTT quiz. Make sure the TTT is in caps, and you'll find a little surprise at the end. That's all.